What is a firewall?
A firewall is a security tool that manages traffic between your device and the internet. It blocks unauthorized access while allowing safe communication. By filtering out threats before they reach your system, firewalls help protect your computer from hackers, malware, and suspicious connections. They can be built into operating systems or run as separate programs for extra control.
What does antivirus software do?
The antivirus software scans your computer for viruses, malware, ransomware, and other harmful programs. It detects, quarantines, and removes threats, protecting your device from damage and data theft. Most modern antivirus tools also offer real-time protection, monitoring downloads and activity to stop threats as soon as they appear.
How firewalls and antivirus work together.
The firewalls and antivirus programs complement each other for comprehensive security. The firewall acts as the first line of defense, blocking unwanted network traffic. Antivirus software scans files and applications that manage to enter your system, catching anything malicious. Together, they defend against both external attacks and internal infections, creating a powerful security shield.
Configuring firewalls for maximum security.
Proper firewall configuration is essential. Start by ensuring your firewall is enabled. Limit incoming and outgoing connections to only trusted sources. Regularly update firewall rules to respond to new threats. Avoid disabling your firewall even during software installations. Many firewalls also offer customizable profiles for different environments, such as home or public networks.
Best practices for antivirus settings.
Keep your antivirus updated to defend against the latest threats. Enable real-time scanning and automatic updates. Schedule regular full system scans and review quarantine results. Avoid running multiple antivirus programs at once, as this can cause conflicts. Review your settings to ensure web protection and email scanning are active for maximum coverage.
Achieving full protection. Key takeaways.
Full protection requires both tools working together. Keep your firewall enabled and properly configured. Use trusted antivirus software and stay updated. Safe habits like caution with downloads and attachments also help. With both a firewall and antivirus in place, your computer will be far less vulnerable to hackers and malware.